Today we're unboxing the Meter 2 Plus wireless smart meat thermometer. It has extra long Bluetooth range, and we are going to check out what's in the box. I like using this on the grill as well as in the oven, and I love the fact that it is wireless and Bluetooth. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, it comes with some instructions, warranty, and the container for the meter. That is actually the recharger. So that little wooden piece recharges the thermometer. So you store it in there when you're not using it, and that is where the battery is located. It is not a rechargeable battery. You have to replace the battery, but it is stored in the back, and then you store the meter thermometer in the wooden case, and that recharges it when it's not in use. I'll come back with a review of the full of the use of the Meter 2 Plus at a later date, but just wanted to show you everything that comes in the box. It's a pretty simple setup.